How to trace family traits using genetics. Imagine uncovering the story of your family through the traits passed down over generations. It's like piecing together a puzzle that reveals your family's unique characteristics. To start, understanding the basics of genetics is key. Every person has genes made of DNA, which come in pairs called alleles. One allele in each pair comes from your mother and the other from your father. These alleles influence traits like eye color, blood type, or even how likely you are to develop certain health conditions. Next, recognizing how traits are inherited helps you trace family traits. There are main patterns to look for. One is autosomal dominant inheritance. That means if one parent has a trait, there's a 50% chance their child will too. Traits like Huntington's disease follow this pattern and tend to show up in every generation. Another pattern is autosomal recessive inheritance. Here, a person needs two copies of a gene variant to have the trait. If only one copy is present, the person is a carrier but doesn't show the trait. Traits like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia follow this pattern and can skip generations. X-linked inheritance involves genes on the X chromosome. Since males have one X chromosome and females have two, males are more often affected by X-linked recessive traits. Conditions like hemophilia or color blindness are examples. Mitochondrial inheritance is different because it involves mitochondrial DNA passed only from mothers to all their children. Traits linked to mitochondrial DNA are inherited solely through the maternal line. To trace traits, gather detailed family health histories. Note which relatives have certain traits or conditions. Creating a family tree or pedigree chart helps visualize inheritance patterns. Mark affected and unaffected relatives to see if traits follow a pattern. Genetic testing adds more clarity. It can identify specific gene variants responsible for traits or health risks. Testing can show if someone is a carrier or at risk for certain conditions. It's especially helpful when family history is unclear or traits are hard to observe. Using these patterns and genetic tests, families can understand how traits and health risks pass through generations. This knowledge helps with health decisions and planning for the future. It's a way to connect with your family history and learn what makes you uniquely you.